So, you know how every few months a new AI music tool drops and everyone loses their minds for about a week? Yeah, this isn't one of those. What I'm about to show you is a 5 billion parameter open source music generator that is genuinely outscoring Suno V5, Minimax, and basically every closed source model on the benchmarks right now. And the kicker? I've set it up so you can run it on Kaggle, completely free, unlimited generations, no credit card, no waitlist. If you've been paying a subscription to generate AI music, you're going to want to hear this. The model is called AceStep 1.5 XL. It comes in 3 flavors: a base model, a fine-tuned SFT model, and a turbo model. Now, the base and SFT versions are hungry. We're talking 5 billion parameters worth of VRAM demand, more than Kaggle's free T4 GPU can handle. But the turbo version, that's the sweet spot. It pumps out high-quality audio in just 8 inference steps, and after a lot of late nights and troubleshooting, I got it running smoothly inside a single Kaggle notebook for you. 8 steps, that's it. And honestly, the output quality at 8 steps had me doing a double take. Now here's the technical bit that makes this work on free hardware. When you run it with CPU offloading and INT8 quantization, the VRAM requirement drops to around 6 or 7 gigabytes. It offloads the rest onto about 15 gigs of system RAM. So a T4 with 16 gigs of VRAM handles it comfortably. The full unquantized model would need 24 gigs, so quantization is doing the heavy lifting here. Also worth noting, the team behind AceStep released companion LLMs, a 0.6 billion, a 1.7 billion, and now a 4 billion parameter version, meant to polish your prompts before generation. I didn't include any of them in the notebook. Honestly, if you write decent lyrics and a solid prompt, you don't need an LLM sitting in front of this thing. All it really does is lightly rephrase your input, and the model is strong enough to handle well-structured prompts on its own. One more thing before we get into the fun part. The license is MIT. That means full commercial use. And they've stated it was trained on safe data, so there's no legal gray area hanging over your head. All right, check this out. On their demo page, they claim this model can generate a full 4-minute song in 2 seconds on an A100. 2 seconds. Now, we're on a T4, so we won't hit that speed, but even on our setup, a 2-minute track generates in roughly a minute. Compare that to the older 2 billion parameter version where a single minute of audio was taking 3 to 4 minutes. The jump in speed alone is massive, but the quality gap is even bigger. All right, let me walk you through the notebook real quick. Head to my GitHub repo, links in the description, and you'll find the Kaggle notebook for AceStep 1.5 XL right there. Click the button, it takes you straight into Kaggle, hit Edit, and you're in. The notebook has 5 cells. First one sets up the environment, second installs dependencies, third downloads the model, fourth prepares the Gradio app script, fifth launches everything. That's it. Nothing bloated, nothing confusing. If you're new to Kaggle, one quick thing. You need to verify your account first, either phone or ID verification. Without that, you can't access the GPU. Once you're verified, go into Settings, find Accelerator, and select T4 x 2. We only use one of the 2 GPUs since the model runs on a single card, but that's the option you need. After that, literally just hit Run All. You'll see a yellow indicator while it connects, and once it flips green, you're live. The dependency install takes about 3 to 4 minutes, and there's a point where it looks like it's frozen. It's not. Just give it a minute or two and it'll push through on its own. Once you see all model download complete, the Gradio UI spins up shortly after, and you get a public link you can open in any browser, even on a different device. That link uses your Kaggle GPU as the backend. Here's where it gets really interesting. The interface gives you 4 modes: text to audio, which is your standard lyrics to song pipeline; cover mode, where you feed it a source track and it generates a cover; timbre transfer, where you provide a reference audio and it matches that tonal quality; and a combined cover plus transfer mode. Below that, you paste in your lyrics, write your prompt describing the style you want, and you've got controls for BPM, key, scale, time signature, all the musician-friendly stuff. Language support is extensive: Chinese, German, French, Korean, Persian, and a bunch more, but you can just leave it on auto and it figures it out from your lyrics. Duration goes up to 6 minutes, and you can generate up to 4 variations at once, each with a different seed. In the advanced settings, you can tweak inference steps, guidance scale, temperature, and there's even a negative prompt field to specify what you don't want in the output. And you can also input your audio samples for cover or timbre change here. All right, let's put this thing to work. First up, I'm pasting in a full set of structured lyrics, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, the whole layout with section tags baked in. And down here in the prompt, I'm going pretty detailed. Number of generations, let's keep it at 1 for now. All right, hitting generate. And you can already see it's moving, like noticeably faster than the old 2 billion parameter notebook. That one would have been chugging for 3 or 4 minutes on a track like this. Okay, it's done. Let's hit play.
It's not just a dream, it's the start of a way, building the future where music will play. A model that listens, a model that grows. AceStep is the rhythm the new world knows. No more limits, no more lines, 1,000 songs in a million minds. We light the spark, we raise the sound, a new foundation breaking ground. AceStep, we take the leap into a world where the music speaks. Fast and free, we shape the skies, creating songs that never die. AceStep, the beat.
Whoa. Okay, hear that? The vocals are clean, the delivery is clear, and for something running on a free Kaggle GPU, the production quality is honestly kind of wild. That's a strong first impression. All right, let's switch it up. This time I'm going cinematic. So in the prompt, I'm describing an eerie, breathy flute melody that opens into something bigger and more layered. And in the lyrics, I'm using structural tags marking exactly where a solo flute should come in, where a harp takes over, how the verses and chorus should build. Let's see if it actually listens. Hitting generate. Okay, it's cooking. And done. Let's play this one. Hear that? The flute came in right where I told it to. The transitions feel intentional, not random. This is where you can really feel the gap between this and the older model. The fact that it's respecting instrumentation cues like this in just 8 inference steps is honestly kind of nuts. All right, next one, we're going Italian. I've got Italian lyrics pasted in, Italian prompt, and I'm going for traditional Bellini-inspired style. And this time, let's generate 2 variations, just to see how much they differ. Hitting generate. This will take a little longer since it's doing 2 tracks. Okay, both are done. Let's hear the first one.
Sopra questa notte oscura, mi dona la tua luce.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Now the second one. You can hear the difference, right? Different phrasing, slightly different instrumental texture, both from different seeds. Now, one small thing I noticed, on one of these outputs, the model actually sang the instruction tags out loud, instead of treating them as structural markers. That does happen sometimes. It's not a big deal. You just regenerate, and it usually comes out clean. But I want to be transparent about that. Okay, C-pop time. I've got these lyrics loaded in, upbeat production prompt. Let's see what it does with this. Let's play it. Okay, that's impressive. The energy is right, the pacing feels authentic, the production style nails the genre. Now, I can't speak to the pronunciation accuracy since I'm not a native speaker, so if any of you are, definitely let me know in the comments how that sounded. But from a pure production standpoint, that's really solid. Next, I'm switching the vibe completely. English lyrics this time, and in the prompt, I'm going lo-fi, mellow, atmospheric. Let's see how well it handles a total mood shift. All right, let's hear it.
Set myself up, it's past noon already. I look up, ceiling fan in rotation, ceiling fan in rotation. No reason to get up, leave me in hibernation. I'm a turtle in a shell, hide and never tell. I hide inside myself, I live inside my past, inside of this, inside of this, inside of this cell that looks like strength, but it's just a shell. Hide and never tell. People tell me I look high.
Yeah, see, that's exactly what I mean about this model. It's not a one-trick pony. It went from C-pop energy to this laid-back lo-fi feel without missing a beat. That kind of genre adaptability tells you the training data behind this thing is serious. All right, one more before the final test. Soulful R&B. Prompt is loaded, lyrics are in, and let's play.
Candles burning low in our room tonight. Your silhouette dancing in the golden light. I've been waiting all day just to hold you close. You're the only one who matters the most. Every moment with you feels like a dream. You're everything and more than you see. Watch the moonlight glow, baby, you're the one I know. Whisper secrets only we can share. Run my finger.
Man, rich vocals, smooth instrumental bed underneath. This is the kind of output that makes you forget you're listening to something an AI spit out on a free GPU. Like, that's genuinely enjoyable to listen to. Okay, final test, and I'm throwing it a curveball. Persian. I had ChatGPT generate the lyrics, and the prompt is set to Persian emotional pop ballad. I have no idea what to expect here. All right, it's done. Let's hear it.
تو رفتی و شهر از نفس افتاد، بارون گرفت و خیابون صدا داد. من ماندم و یک مشت خاطره، یک قلب خسته، یک عالم باز. هر شب میان این همه آدم دنبال تو گم میشدت این نبض. من ماندم و یک مشت خاطره، یک قلب خسته، یک عالم باز. هر شب میان این همه آدم دنبال تو گم میشدت این نبض. بعد از تو شب شب تره، این دل هنوز در به دره. هر جا که میرم عطر تو هست، اسم تو از خاطرم نمیپره. بعد از تو من خاموشم، اما هنوز هم با تو میجوشم. تو نیستی و این شهر بزرگ روی دل من سایه میکوبه هر شب. گفتم فراموشی تو آسونه، دیدم بدون تو نفس کم میارم. هر کوچه تصویر تو رو دارد، من با خودم از رفتنت بیزارم.
Okay, wow. The melody is gorgeous, the vocal performance feels authentic, and the whole composition is just genuinely pleasant to listen to. Now, I obviously can't judge the pronunciation or the lyrical delivery, so if there are any native Persian speakers watching, please drop a comment and let me know how accurate that actually was. But purely as a piece of music, that's a beautiful track. So that's AceStep 1.5 XL running entirely free on Kaggle. The notebook link is in the description through my GitHub repo, where you'll also find all my other notebooks for Colab and Kaggle. Go test it yourself and drop a comment letting me know what kind of results you're getting. These notebooks take a serious amount of time and effort to put together, so if you got value out of this, showing some love with a like and a comment genuinely helps more than you'd think. I'll catch you in the next one.